Andy Akers, owner and operator of Akers Outdoor Plumbing.
And I'm Ryan, and today we're going to talk about some of the most frequently asked questions we get about trenchless underground technology.
So Ryan, tell us a little about the process.
Yeah, so we always start by calling 811 and getting all the underground utilities marked before any work commences. Then we get a plan how we get the line from point A to point B from the water meter to your house. Sometimes we go on a different route than the existing water line is. Then we get the line installed, we get it hooked up, usually within the same day, and then we get everything ready for the inspection.
Typically they look at both the entry and the exit pits, and they want to see two things. Make sure that it's hooked up to the city setter properly. Number two is they want to make sure that usually that it's got that electrical ground code requirement of 10 feet of copper coming outside the foundation.
Yeah, and the nice thing is when you get everything inspected and done properly, when you go to sell your home, the inspector sees that you had your water service updated, because typically when you get your inspection done, they look for two things: your side sewer, what kind of condition that's in, and how old and what kind of material your water service line is.
So it's always a good idea to get that water service updated.
So Andy, I have a lot of people asking me, and they have to know, what is the Akers Guarantee?
Great question, Ryan. So the Akers Guarantee is we provide the best service. Number two is we provide the best products available on the market. Number three is we provide the best warranty, I believe, in the business. And number four, we give them the best value for their dollar. And that's the Akers Guarantee.